Today is the day, Mom. We are going to the beach.
I know, sweetheart.
Shh. It's 7 a.m. Be excited quietly.
Beach excitement cannot be quiet, and it is a loud kind of happy.
Breakfast comes first, everyone. We leave in an hour.
Did they say 9 o'clock? We should have left yesterday. I definitely packed the beach umbrella for the trip. Wait, I packed an umbrella, just not the right one.
Is the umbrella the tiny rainbow one from my room? Go get the real umbrella, the big blue one next to the cooler.
Can I bring Mr. Bubbles to the beach with us today, please?
Of course you can, sweetie.
Look at that huge treehouse.
Wow, can we stop there?
Maybe on the way back, guys.
And I feel alright, riding in my car all day and night. Yeah, the sun is shining and we're feeling so fine.
Oh, the waves are calling and the sun is shining bright. We're almost at the beach, Hey, Emily, could you please stop that? The lighting outside is really good.
Quick, Alex, take a picture. Okay, ready. Look at this pose.
Are we there yet? We still have about 45 minutes. 45 minutes? Oh.
We have to capture this moment. Quick, smile for the camera. Wow, look over there. It's the ocean. I have to get a picture of this.
That it is so pretty.
I can smell the ocean.
Bet you can't catch me.
I'm gonna get you.
Last one there is a rotten egg.
See, I told you. I packed the right one.
Not the rainbow one this time.
Why won't this stupid thing open? Come on. Aha! Got it! Perfect!
These are the best seats at the beach.
It is actually really comfortable.
Leadership.
The sand is so warm and soft.
The waves sound so loud from here.
Okay, team, sunscreen first. We need to protect our skin before we can enjoy that beautiful water.
Mom, not the face.
Hold still, Alex.
Can Mr. Bubbles have sunscreen too? Give him here.
The chairs are set, sunscreen is on. Is everyone ready?
Ready!
Ready?
Perfect.
Oh, look, a beach snack shop. Come on, team. It looks good, actually.
Welcome, welcome. Fresh coconuts today. Very cold, very fresh.
Perfect. 4 coconuts, please. Good choice, sir. Best coconuts on this beach.
What coconut juice is? Just try it. She will love it. It smells funny.
Just try it, Emily. This is amazing. Why have I never had this before?
Everything looks delicious. Which fruits are the freshest today? The pineapples and mangoes just arrived this morning. They are wonderfully sweet.
Let's get some fruits too.
And maybe some chips.
Beach chips, completely different category.
Come back anytime. Best drink on the beach. Enjoy your snacks, folks.
We will. This is the perfect spot.
My castle needs a tower and a moat.
Okay, round 2. I am ready for you!
It's a perfect shell for the throne room.
Nope, cannot just lie here. Too much happening.
Wow, Emily, this is impressive. Can I help?
You can help with the wall, but do not touch the throne room.
Walls only, understood.
Oh, this is beautiful. So peaceful.
Cold but awesome.
Mom, come try body surfing. It's so fun. Dad, that was the East Tower.
I am so sorry. I will fix it. I will fix it.
Here comes one. Get ready, keep your arms straight out front. Okay, arms out. I'm nervous, Alex.
All right, who is hungry?
Me.
Always.
All right, everyone. We have sandwiches, fruit, chips, and juice. Dig in.
This sandwich tastes better at the beach.
Everything tastes better at the beach.
That is absolutely true. It's a science fact.
That is not a science fact.
Beach science, totally different.
This was the best day. Can we come back next weekend?
We will see, sweetheart.
I will take that as a yes.
Best day ever.